In this video, I'll show you how to download and use OP Autoclicker on your PC. First, open your browser and search for OP Autoclicker. Click on a trusted website from the search results. Now click on the Download for Windows button and wait for the file to download. Once the download is complete, open the file to launch the program. You'll now see the main interface. Here, you can customize how the Autoclicker works. Choose your mouse button, left, right, or middle. Then select the click type, such as single or double click. Next, set the click interval, which controls how fast it clicks. You can adjust it in milliseconds, seconds, or minutes. Lower values mean faster clicking. You can also set the number of clicks, or leave it on continuous clicking. For the clicking position, you can choose current location or pick a specific spot on your screen. To start the Autoclicker, press the Start button or use the default hotkey F6. If you want, you can change the hotkey by clicking on Hotkey Settings and selecting a new key. That's it. Now you know how to download and use OP Autoclicker on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.